Hey there, welcome back to Rich Off Automation, a My FXBOOK Verified platform. Today, we're diving into an exciting investment opportunity, the Forex Pamm account. First things first, it's free to join. But here's the twist. We follow a pay-for-performance model. Let me explain. When our traders make you money, we share the success, taking a 30% cut, but only when you profit. So, what exactly is a Pamm account in Forex? Simply put, a Pamm account is a form of pooled money, Forex trading. It is a unique way that allows investors to earn without having to trade themselves. Pamm is short for the Percent Allocation Management module. It is also sometimes deciphered as Percent Allocation Money Management. The manager registers a Pamm account with a Forex broker, funds it, and then creates an offer inviting other participants to follow them and inject their own money. Note that the manager does not have direct access to the investor's money. The manager trades using their own funds while the exchange bot repeats the same transactions for the investor's funds. If the manager yields profit, so does the investor. After allocating the agreed-upon fee to the manager for their successful work, let's say 20%, imagine that the manager has invested $300 of their own money and the investor $200. In total, there's $500 on the account. The manager's strategy results in a yield of 200%. That's $1,000, bringing the total amount of funds to $1,500. 200% of the initial investment reaches $900 for the manager and $600 for the investor's profit of $400. That's $80. Ultimately, this trading interval brought $520 for the investor and $908 for the manager. It is up to any would-be investor to study the performance of selected Pamm managers and invest in the best-performing, most reliable, and stable account. This is what a Pamm account is in a nutshell. Many traders struggle to grow accounts themselves and end up losing money to the markets. With a Pamm, clients can leverage the best trading softwares and strategies to make passive income for themselves and for their clients. So, what can you get if you use Pamm for 2 years? Imagine using our Pamm system for 2 years, starting with $1,000. With a monthly return of 27% and with the magic of compound interest, you could potentially earn over $100,000. That's the power of Rich Off Automation, delivering profits while you focus on what matters to you.